In 1774, as tensions escalated between the American colonies and Britain, the First Continental Congress took a bold and unified stand. They created the Continental Association, a powerful plan to resist British oppression, not with weapons, but with the strength of economic action. The Continental Association was more than a document. It was a statement of resistance. The delegates, representing 12 colonies, agreed to impose a strict boycott of British goods, with the aim of pressuring Parliament to repeal the Intolerable Acts. The plan was simple: refuse to import or consume British goods, and refuse to export American goods to Britain. The boycott was extensive, targeting a range of British imports: tea, cloth, and luxury items, among others. Colonists were encouraged to support local businesses and use domestically produced goods instead. It wasn't just about economics. It was a statement of self-reliance and a step toward creating an independent American identity. The boycott didn't only affect the colonies, it rippled across the Atlantic. British merchants dependent on colonial markets felt the impact, adding pressure on Parliament to respond to colonial demands. In America, the boycott fostered unity. Committees were formed to enforce the agreement, and colonies supported each other in their commitment to resistance. The Continental Association marked one of the first major coordinated actions by the colonies against Britain. It demonstrated their ability to act together for a common cause, strengthening the ties between them and setting the stage for the Declaration of Independence 2 years later. This boycott wasn't just about economics. It was about colonial rights, self-determination, and the growing desire for freedom. The Continental Association was an early testament to the power of collective action. It reminded Britain that the colonies were capable of standing united, and it showed the world that the spirit of independence was alive and growing. As we look back, the Continental Association stands as a reminder of the strength found in unity and the resilience that would soon define a new nation.